Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix playback error on Twitter known as ad. First, check your internet connection. Twitter video need a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try opening another app or website to make sure your internet is working. If your internet is fine, close the Twitter app completely and reopen it. This refresh the app and fix small glitches. Next, tap update the Twitter app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type for app and tap update if one is available. Older app version often cause video error. After that, go to back to X and check your data setting. For that, go to the settings, tap on accessibility, display and language, and then data uses, and make sure video autoplay is turned on or set to Wi-Fi and mobile data. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.